Hello students, last video we discussed evaluation of an expression using identity with substitution. There only one variable, now here two variables, but working rule is same, reduce into simplest form and then substitute both the values. Here the question is x by 4 minus y by 3 into x square plus x square by 16 plus xy by 12 plus y square by 9. Assume this is a and this is b. So which is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So what is a? A is x by 4, b y by 3. X by 4, x by 4, y by 3, y by 3. Correct. Now which is equal to x by 4 minus y by 3 into simplify. So what is the simplest form of this? Okay, now you have to write in the form of what? Formula. This is a minus b. So what is the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equal to a cube minus b cube. Okay, a cube minus b cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So what is a? A is x by 4. And what is b? Y by 3. Y by 3. Now this is the simplest form. So you can rewrite this as x by 3 by 6, x cube by 64, y cube by 27. Now x by 64 minus y by 27. What is the given value? X equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1. I forgot this. Y equal to minus 1. So which is equal to x equal to 3, 3 cube by 64 minus 1 cube by 27, which is equal to 27 by 64. Minus 1 cube is plus minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 by 27, which is equal to 729 plus 64 by 24 into this 1768, 1768, 1728, 1728. So which is equal to 729 plus 64, which is equal to 1893. 793 by 1728. Very important here, y equal to minus 1 and x equal to 3. Substitute in this simplest form. So this is the simplest form. You have to substitute only in the simplest form. Okay, thank you.